everyone, we are back with another episode of It's Unscripted. सृष्टि, मुझे क्या लगता है हर लड़की की लाइफ में एक ऐसा फेज आता है जब उसको मॉडल या फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में जाने का, एक्टर बनने का शौक चढ़ता है.
ये तो सच बात है, मेरे को भी ये बहुत आया था. बट फिर इतनी कंफ्यूजन आ जाती है ना कि कहाँ जाऊँ, कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ, किससे सजेशंस लूँ. और उन सबसे भी बड़ा जो इशू जो मुझे लगा कि पेरेंट्स को कैसे कन्विंस कराऊँ कि मुझे तो पढ़ाई नहीं करनी है, आई वॉन्ट टू डू दिस, I want to go in this field.
Yeah, right. So उन्हीं सब confusions, assumptions और myths को clear करने के लिए आज हमारे साथ मौजूद है Miss Swati Singh Rajput, who is the winner. Hi Swati. She is the winner of Miss Diva Delhi 2018 and who is currently an actress and an independent filmmaker in Mumbai.
We welcome you, Swati. It's a pleasure to have you here with us.
Hi Shrishti, hi Vanshika. Thank you so much for inviting me and thank you for the wonderful introduction and I am very happy to be here.
So let's start from the very basic. How are you? How is life going currently?
Life is going very good. A lot of things are happening. I'm very happy to be where I am right now. Everything is going good. Great.
अच्छा स्वाति, ये जो इंडस्ट्री है, मॉडलिंग इंडस्ट्री, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, इसके लिए आपने अपने पेरेंट्स को कैसे मनाया? लाइक यू आर फ्रॉम यूपी एंड मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से आप बिलोंग करते थे. तो मैं यूपी से हूँ, मैं मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से बिलोंग करती हूँ. मुझे पता है कि अगर मैंने अपने पेरेंट्स से बोल दी ये चीज़ तो इट्स लाइक अ टाबू उनके सामने. तो आपने कैसे मनाया?
So Vanshika, see, my parents were actually they are quite cool, but the thing is I belong to a Rajput family and none of my family member has ever been in glamour industry, modeling, film industry or anywhere. So this was a shocker for them, but since they love me so much, they were quite supportive of it. Initially they had their own hesitation, they had their own questions. और इनिशियली थोड़ा मुझे भी टाइम लगा बिकॉज व्हेन पेरेंट्स से समथिंग तो आपको भी लगता है कि हाँ कुछ तो बोल रहे हैं तो सही बोल रहे होंगे. तो आई ऑल्सो टुक माई टाइम टू कन्विंस माई सेल्फ, देन आई कन्विंस देम एंड इवेंचुअली देन दे रियलाइज्ड कि ये नहीं मान रही है. तो उन्होंने बोला कि ठीक है, जो करना है इसको करने देते हैं. एंड देन व्हेन दे सॉ दैट कि इट मेक्स मी रियली हैप्पी. और जब मेरे एक दो अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स उन्होंने देखे तो उनको भी लगा कि ये पॉसिबल है. तो आई थिंक मेरे पेरेंट्स को जब ये लगा कि हाँ कुछ तो कर लेगी बेटी, तो उन्होंने बोला ठीक है करने देते हैं.
तो मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि इस जर्नी की स्टार्टिंग कहाँ से हुई? आपको कितना टाइम इंडस्ट्री में हो गया है और वो जर्नी जब स्टार्ट हुई और अब के टाइम में वो क्या डिफरेंसेस आपको अब तक देखने को मिलते हैं?
टू बी ऑनेस्ट सृष्टि, शुरुआत आप जर्नी की बात करें, मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है मेरी जर्नी अभी शुरू हुई है. सी, कभी कभी ना चीज़ें आपकी लाइफ में ऐसे होती है कि आपको भगवान ही बोलता है कि ये आपकी डायरेक्शन है, नाउ यू वॉक फ्रॉम हेयर. सो समथिंग लाइक दैट हैपेंड विद मी. मैं अपना MBA कर रही थी. उस टाइम पे आई वॉज डूइंग सम कॉलेज एक्टिविटी इवेंट इन सम मॉल एंड सम गाय केम टू मी एंड सेड कि हे यू लुक फाइन एंड हम लोग कास्टिंग वास्टिंग करते हैं, तो चलो आप मेरा नंबर ले लो एंड मैं आपको कुछ एक्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स होंगे तो मैं आपको बताऊँगा. तो आई वॉज लाइक, मैंने पता नहीं क्यों बस नंबर ले लिया एंड आई वॉज लाइक ठीक है. एंड मैंने फटाफट अपना नंबर दे भी दिया एंड ऑल माई फ्रेंड्स वर वेरी लाइक कि ऐसे किसी भी क्रीप को क्यों नंबर दे दिया. सो बट देन ही कॉल्ड मी द वेरी नेक्स्ट डे 4 AM in the morning. So I was like कि यार सुबह 4 बजे कोई क्यों फोन कर रहा है.
sure that he's some creep.
हाँ,
and he just got your number.
I was suspecting that when I get a call at 4 AM. तो मुझे ये लगा, तो उसने मुझे बोला कि स्वाति देयर इज दिस रिक्वायरमेंट एंड अगर आप अभी फ्री हो अभी आ सकते हो सेट पे, वी आर डूइंग अ फिल्म शूट इन दिल्ली ओनली, तो आप आ जाओ. तो मैंने कहा कि मैं आपको बताती हूँ. तो मैंने 5-10 मिनट टाइम लिया और उस टाइम पे घर पे किसी को कुछ पता नहीं था ऑफ कोर्स. तो मैंने फिर अपने घर से मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं निकलती हूँ. मैंने पहली कॉलेज टाइम था उस टाइम पे, पहली मेट्रो पकड़ी सुबह 5 बजे वाली. आई वेंट टू ग्रीन पार्क में शूट था. तो वहाँ पे मैं जैसे ही सेट पे पहुँची और मैं देख रही हूँ कि कोई नहीं है सेट पे और एक बड़ा सा वेन्यू है, बंगलो टाइप है. तो मेरे को और डर लगा कि शिट ये तो गलत डिसीजन हो गया. तो देन उसके बाद मुझे वो शख्स मिले जिन्होंने मैं नंबर लिया था. तो उन्होंने आके मुझे बोला जल्दी चलो, हम अंदर जाना है, शूटिंग करनी है, लेट हो रहा है. तो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है. हम लोग अंदर गए, एक बेसमेंट की तरफ गए, एक बड़ा सा डोर था और मुझे अब तक मेरी जान निकल रही है ऑलमोस्ट,
Yeah.
बिकॉज आई
That
डोंट
is
नो,
scary, that is
स्केरी,
scary.
या इट इज स्केरी. सो और मुझे उस टाइम पे कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है, कुछ नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है. एक बड़ा सा डोर था, ही ओपन द डोर, आई केम इनसाइड एंड आई सॉ 100 पीपल स्टैंडिंग.
Oh.
तो फ्यू, इट वाज रियली अ फिल्म सेट. एंड जल्दी से एक एडी मेरी तरफ भागते हुए आए और उन्होंने बोला कि योर स्वाति राइट. मैंने कहा या. कहते यार एक ही डायलॉग है, जल्दी से बोल देना, अच्छे से बोल देना, प्लीज मेरी जान बचा लो.
So how
मैंने
did
कहा,
it go?
It was quite nice. I'll tell you what happens next. So I go and sit there. उन्होंने मुझे स्क्रिप्ट दी जिसपे बकायदा एक ही लाइन लिखी हुई है. ठीक है, इतने बड़े पेज पे सिर्फ एक ही लाइन थी. तो आई वाज लाइक, अब मुझे बोला है कि अच्छे से बोलना है, तो मैं वो एक ही लाइन रिहर्स किए जा रही हूँ. Okay, अच्छे से बोलना है, बोला है भाई. तो मैं पढ़ रही हूँ एंड देन आई सी मेरे बगल में इरफान खान सर बैठे हैं.
Oh my
What?
god.
या और मैंने उन्हें देखा.
That's crazy.
सो मैंने उन्हें देखा एंड आई वाज लाइक कि व्हाट इज जस्ट हैपनिंग, कि मैंने कल किसी ने
God
मुझे
sign, God
रैंडमली नंबर दिया एंड टुडे आई एम सिटिंग विद द मोस्ट लेजेंडरी एक्टर इन इंडस्ट्री, इरफान खान सर. So I was very lucky to share screen time with him, though it was a very small role. It was a character role back then. I'm saying 2014-15.
Okay.
तो मुझे वो भी करके बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैंने अपनी लाइन अच्छे से बोली.
Do you remember the line?
Yeah.
What was it?
So actually the shoot went for 2-3 days, but the only line which came in the film was hello sir, the Suris are here. So the film was Hindi medium. If you have seen the film,
Yeah.
if you'll see it again you will see me. इतनी हमने बात कर ली, उसमें मेरा 3-4 सेकंड का ही रोल है दोस्तों, मैं आपको बता देना चाह रही हूँ. बट the
But that was a
only
big deal. Like that was
Yeah.
your first break with the
Yeah.
Irfan Khan. That is a big
technically,
deal.
yeah, technically my first acting project, my first dialogue was with Irfan sir. So I feel very, very fortunate about this fact that I got an opportunity to share screen with him. And sadly, he's not with us right now, and not a lot of actors can have that privilege. So I feel very lucky about it.
ओके सो जैसा आपने बोला कि MBA में आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली, तो MBA से सीधे इस इंडस्ट्री में आना वाज लाइक अ ड्रास्टिक शिफ्ट.
मैंने अगेन लाइक आई सेड कि ये सब बहुत फार फेच ड्रीम्स लगते थे, तो मैंने उस टाइम पे तो ऐसा नहीं सोचा था. बट व्हेन थिंग्स स्टार्टेड टू हैपन, तो मुझे लगा कि दिस इज़ गॉड्स इंडिकेशन कि आई थिंक आई शुड परस्यू इट. कुछ चीज़ जो मेरे पास खुद चल के आ रही है तो मुझे उसे परस्यू करना चाहिए. तो देन इनफैक्ट आई हैड अ कॉन्वर्सेशन विद इरफान सर. ही सेड, मैंने उन्हें बोला कि सर मैं ना घर पे बिना बताए सुबह सुबह भाग के आई हूँ. तो ही सेड ऐसे ही भाग के बॉम्बे चले जा, तेरा काम हो जाएगा. तो that statement was very
And that stayed
life
with you till
changing.
date.
Yeah, that was very life changing for me. And then after few years, few more years, I went back to Bombay. Like I shifted to Bombay.
So definitely it was a God's sign.
Yeah.
तो जब आपने पहली बार आप इंटरव्यू के लिए गए, कास्टिंग के लिए गए, आपको पहले दिन ही डायलॉग मिल गया, तो आई वांट टू नो कि उसके बाद आपने कुछ प्रोफेशनली चीजें सीखी या ऑल दिस जस्ट कम्स नेचुरली टू यू कि आई नो आई कैन डू इट और आपने कर दिया, या कुछ प्रोफेशनली फिर आपने उसको परस्यू किया?
इनिशियली सबको लगता है कि हाँ एक्टिंग इज ईजी, बट इट्स नॉट. Acting is absolutely an art and everyone should get trained for it, and I realized it. And when I shifted to Bombay, I did my professional acting course. Saurabh Sachdeva sir was my mentor. I was fortunate enough to got my acting training by him. तो हमने पूरा अपना acting training किया. Then we did theatres also. So yeah, I trained myself, and I think it's very important because ऐसा आपको लग सकता है कि आपको सब कुछ आता है, आप कर लोगे, बट जब सेट पे जाते देर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट यू नीड टू नो. देर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट आप कैसे अपनी वॉइस चेंज करते हो, कैसे आप कैमराज के, अगर आपको राइट देखना है लेफ्ट देखना है, तो आप एक्चुअली सेट पे राइट लेफ्ट नहीं देख रहे होते हो, आप कैमरा के राइट एंड लेफ्ट देख रहे होते हो. एंड ऑल्सो हाउ टू गेट इन टू दैट फील. तो बहुत सारी टूल टेक्निक होती है. तो मुझे ट्रेनिंग लेने के बाद पता चला कि इट इज़ वेरी मच नीडेड, एंड एनीवन हु वांट्स टू परस्यू एक्टिंग, आई मस्ट से दैट प्रोफेशनल एक्टिंग ट्रेनिंग इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट.
ऑल बडिंग एक्टर्स टेक नोट्स.
यस.
या सो जस्ट लाइक यू सेड कि ट्रेनिंग ली थी आपने. अभी जैसे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हम देखते हैं, वो शोज ओपन कर रहे हैं, उनको ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल रही हैं. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट? आरंट यू पिस्ड?
No, I would not say I'm pissed, but see, the world of influencers are very, very different. And everything has happened just so fast.
Exactly.
Actually, हम 2-3-4 साल पहले सोचे तो इतना इन्फ्लुएंसर इतना नहीं था. In last 3-4 years, because they got a lot of reach, a lot of people are
Following
watching
also,
them,
yeah.
following them. That's how they are monetizing the whole influencing business. And talking about the opportunities, I don't mind anyone taking advantage or opportunities and making it for themselves. That's good for them. But the sad part when it comes to when sometimes I get a casting requirement where they say, okay, we are looking for a rich looking girl. I'm like, check. Okay, the height should be above 5'6". Check. Should be good in acting. Okay, I think I am a decent actor. Check. Then they say must have 100K followers on Instagram. Then I am like, okay, इसकी तो मैंने ट्रेनिंग नहीं ली थी. मैंने सारी तैयारी की अपनी एज एन एक्टर, बट 100K फॉलोअर की वजह से रिजेक्ट हो जाना feels bad. And it just becomes an obligation for every one of us to be active on social media, चाहे हम ये करना चाहे या नहीं करना चाहे. So it just becomes a mandate thing. I personally like to stay active on social media, पर मैं वही करना चाहती जो मेरा मन करता है. मैं वो नहीं करना चाहती क्योंकि ये
You don't want to be
important है.
obligated.
Yeah, I
कि
don't
मेरे
want
को
to be.
करना ही
Yeah,
करना है,
yeah,
trends follow ही करने हैं.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है आपको.
Yeah.
And that is also like very good point कि not everyone is that much outspoken या
Yeah.
इतना ज़्यादा वो नहीं social media पर active होना चाह रहे, but you have to.
Yeah,
Why?
you have to.
Because that is the requirement.
The
today.
requirement now.
Also, I want to add to this question. I want to know that आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा budding child influencers बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गए हैं.
Yeah.
And there are lots of girls you can see who are, this is my makeup routine, this is that,
Yeah.
and I'm like, you're a kid. I didn't know about all these things when I was in school.
Yeah.
So what is your take on it?
See, the thing is, since it is out and loud everywhere, so the coming generation, the so-called Gen Z people are
Yeah.
seeing this. They are, you guys are Gen Z, I believe. Yeah.
definitely.
Okay. So they're seeing it, and when they see models, influencer, they're seeing Kardashians and
Yeah.
everyone, they want to look like that. They want to, there's this perfect image that they have in their mind that I should look like this. So they start pursuing all of that at very young age. And maybe they don't realize it, what they're missing. At that age, you should just be free, do whatever you want to do, play, do
Yeah,
things.
exactly.
ये सब चीज़ें करने के लिए पूरी उम्र पड़ी है. पहले ऐसा होता था, मतलब 5 years 10 years back, years back, पहले लोगों को काम मिलता था, लोग तब फेमस होते थे. अब लोग फेमस है इसलिए उन्हें काम
That
नहीं
is
मिल
a
रहा है.
very very good point that you have
Yeah.
mentioned here कि you must remember that lady, so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a
Yeah.
wow. She went viral and let me tell you, वो सीरियल्स में आ रही हैं, वो टीवी में आ रही हैं, और इंस्टाग्राम पर तो जो वायरल हुई हैं वो
Yeah.
everybody knows it.
Yeah.
So that is so true. आप पहले वायरल हो जाते हो, उसके बाद आपके पास
आपको
opportunities
काम आ
आने
रहे
लगती
हैं.
हैं.
सो काम करने के लिए बस फेमस होना है, ऐसा हो गया. पहले लोग
It's
फेमस होने के लिए
So
काम
easy.
करते थे. yeah.
अब फेमस होना इज लाइक सो इजी. तौबा तौबा चल रहा है, उस पर डांस कर लो, उस पर रील बना लो.
And the funny thing is, जो लोग अच्छा डांस कर रहे हैं वो भी फेमस हो रहे हैं, जो लोग खराब डांस कर रहे हैं वो भी फेमस हो रहे हैं. What are we doing?
Instagram work both ways. या तो
Yeah.
तुम बहुत अच्छे हो तो तुम फेमस हो सकते हो, या तुम बहुत ही
बहुत
बेकार
बेकार
हो तो तुम कुछ हो सकता है.
Yeah.
कुछ हो सकता है.
That's
डेफिनेटली
true.
कुछ कर सकते हो
Yeah.
तुम. आप थोड़ा सीरियस कॉन्वर्सेशंस की तरफ चलो.
Yes, I'm
थोड़ा
serious.
माहौल को
सीरियसली.
मुंबई आप शिफ्ट हुए
Yeah.
यहाँ से, डेफिनेटली बहुत ज्यादा ड्रास्टिक चेंज आए होंगे. एक तो हर टाइम ना वो वॉर भी चल रही है, दिल्ली इज बेस्ट, मुंबई इज बेस्ट, दिल्ली इज बेस्ट, मुंबई. तो
Yeah.
एक तो ये इसका मुझे आंसर चाहिए कि बेस्ट एक्चुअली क्या है अकॉर्डिंग टू दिल्ली या मुंबई, और दूसरा मुंबई में लाइफ कैसी चल रही है. मुंबई को सिटी ऑफ ड्रीम्स हम बोलते हैं, सपने की तरफ जा पा रहे हो, लग रहा है कि सपने सच हो जाएंगे, मोटिव है कुछ तो.
Yeah.
हो.
So first of all, to address your question, Delhi versus Mumbai. Delhi people will hate me, but I would say
What?
Mumbai. You go live in that city for 2 years, you'll know. Trust me.
We'll see.
It is a city of dreams. Because when you initially when I went to Mumbai, there were challenges. The city takes time to give you that space actually, but once the city accepts you, you just fall in love with the city. It's beautiful. फिर आपको सब कुछ अच्छा लगेगा. वहाँ की गंदी बारिश, एक्चुअली खूबसूरत बारिश, बट गंदे रोड्स, गड्ढे, ट्रैफिक, smell, you will love everything. Trust
I
me,
feel
the
Mumbai
city is like that.
actually welcomes everyone with warm
Yeah.
hugs and warm hearts.
Actually, I would say for me and for people around me, everyone had difficulty adjusting to Mumbai initially. But once you pass that test वाला time ना, वो जो
You
चुनौती
love
की पीढ़ी होती है, वो आपने पास कर ली, उसके बाद then you will love it and the city will love you back. So Mumbai is very beautiful, and the kind of culture the city has, you will see all kind of people coming from different cities. I have such a big diverse circle in Mumbai now. Half of my friends are from MP, half of my friends are from South, half of my friends are from Goa, from Delhi. So I feel that I'm living in India, not just in Mumbai.
Oh.
So it's like that. So you grow differently in Mumbai. I happen to discover a lot of my hobbies liking in Mumbai, like that. So आप अलग इंसान बन जाते हो यार मुंबई जाके. It's like that.
So according to you, is it necessary कि if you want to grow, अगर आगे बढ़ना है, एक्टिंग करियर में जाना है, तो मुंबई शिफ्ट होना पड़ेगा?
Ideally shift होना चाहिए, but there are a lot of actors. See, depends what your goals are. Few actors who are my friends are staying in Delhi and they are working in Punjabi industry, say.
Okay.
So they just do their up and down to Delhi to Chandigarh, Ludhiana and all that. So they can adjust it like that. If you have something specific that this is the kind of work you want to do, you want to get into films, you want to get into web shows, then you probably have to. Anyway, you have to come to Mumbai for auditions
Yeah,
and
yeah,
everything.
yeah, that is
Initially,
given,
I also took my time. I used to do this up and down
Juggling.
from Delhi to Bombay. Then I realized कि ऐसा तो बहुत खर्चा है यार ये तो. So I have to shift to Mumbai. So then I decided to shift to Mumbai. So ideally, yes, Mumbai is that city, is the place to be if you want to become an actor.
Okay, so you are living in Mumbai, you are working. So how do you manage your work life और family को कैसे time देते हो मतलब इतना करने के बाद?
See, family को तो time, because I also work in Delhi as well, so I keep coming to Delhi. So my family is there, so I meet them. अभी भी मैं इस podcast के लिए आई हूँ, तो I met my mother and my brother and we had good time. So I keep visiting back here and that's how I manage. Sometimes here, sometimes there.
मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आप मुंबई हो तो वो होता है ना कि हर दिन मम्मी से बात करनी है, ऐसा वाला सीन है?
हर दिन मम्मी से बात करनी है
करनी
यार,
है,
मम्मी गुस्सा हो जाएंगी नहीं तो. आप कितने भी बड़े हो जाओ लाइफ में, हर दिन मम्मी से बात करनी होती है और करनी ही चाहिए.
एक क्वेश्चन था मेरा कि कभी आपको कोई रियलिटी शो ऑफर हुए हैं क्या?
एक्चुअली यस, मुझे कुछ रियलिटी शोज ऑफर हुए. मैं अभी
I
नाम
want
नहीं
to know the
लूंगी.
inside the aspect, sister.
So I can't take the name,
Yeah.
but I would say that I didn't like the concept of it. So
was
I
it?
said, you guys want to know everything.
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
These girls are Gen Z girls are smart.
Smarty.
So basically, a lot of reality shows, as a matter of fact, are halfway scripted. So I didn't like that. That
So-
I don't want to portray it unauthentic in front of audience.
हमको भी नहीं पसंद भाई scripted.
Scripted.
It's
It's
unscripted.
But आपको-
unscripted.
It's unscripted.
Yeah. But आपको जो रियलिटी शोज हम देखते हैं, ज़्यादातर ऑडियंस बिलीव करती है कि ये रियल है. तो स्क्रिप्ट रिटन सो वेल दैट इट लुक्स रियल, देन you can't do anything about it. But it's my personal choice that I didn't wanted to do something that sort of unauthentic.
तो रियलिटी शोज हो गए, स्प्लिट्सविला है, रोडीज है, बिग बॉस है.
Big Boss. Big
Big
Boss.
Boss है.
Big
Guys,
Boss
it's
is
not Big Boss.
Bengali.
It's not Big Boss, it's Big Boss.
Okay,
Big
guys,
Boss.
please don't embarrass me. तो जो ये सारी चीजें हैं,
हाँ.
इन सब के बाद ना लोगों को फेम जरूर मिल जाता है. मुझे
Yeah.
ऐसा लगता है कि एकदम इंस्टेंट फेम है. अगर तुम एक बार रोडीज चले गए हो,
हाँ.
तुमने कुछ अच्छा कर दिया, अगर वही वाली चीज, या तो तुम बहुत अच्छा कुछ कर दो, या तुम बहुत
बुरा.
एवरेज, बहुत बेकार कुछ कर दो, तो तुम हिट हो.
हाँ.
आगे बाहर आगे ना करियर अपना बना सकते हो. तो जो इतना जल्दी फास्ट फेम लोगों को मिल रहा है, तो उसके बारे में क्या बोलना चाहोगे कि एकदम इंस्टेंटली देयर इज दिस पर्सन जो बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत कर रहा है, ऑडिशंस दे रहा है, ये सारी चीजें कर रहा है. एक तो वो है, दूसरी जगह एक कोई इंसान जिसको सडन सारी चीजें मिल गई, सडन फेम मिल गया, तो उस पर कैसा फील होता है, कैसी फीलिंग है?
Yeah, like the people who do publicity stunts.
Hmm.
What do you think about that?
I think all of this is a very short term game because, see, everything that gets viral for a very short span of time, right? If you would remember who all got famous last year, how many people you can name?
Not even one, I
Uh,
think.
That's a very good point.
Yeah, so
Short span है.
it's a very short span game. So if you want to do good work and if you want to sustain for a long race in the
And
industry,
make an
I think
impact,
you
I
should
feel.
and make an impact. And I think your decisions should be very I think calculative also. As a public figure, it's your responsibility to assure what you're offering to the audience. अगर मैं चाहती हूँ कि if I'm doing a film, I do good roles, even if I do bad roles, but I should give some sort of entertainment to my audience. So just like that, I think it's their choice, but I think it's very temporary. It does not last for very long time. So it's just that it does not make me feel anything personally. Good for them, whatever they're doing, but I am little away from that.
Okay, many times we have heard कि Indian parents क्यों नहीं पसंद करते, because they have this perception that this industry, film industry, modeling industry is not safe.
Yeah.
So I want to know your perception because you are living that life.
Yeah.
तो is it safe and does it depend on something? या आपने के साथ कुछ ऐसा experience हुआ है? Someone you know has faced something like this. I want to know about that.
See, so-called perceptions are there since ever about the industry. And just because our industry is very loud and open, people get to talk about it. It also happens in other industries as well. If you look into corporate world, it happens there also. But yes, I would like to say one thing. Whenever you face fraud people, I would say, good, bad, I would not say, fraud people, it's altogether a different thing. They are not the part of industry. Specifically talking about film industry, there are only legit, say, 10 to 15 casting directors, and they have a very systematic process to cast people. They have a legit office, they have great credibility, and the process is very clear. So all the people who wants to get into acting, they need to know the right process, and once they know the right process, that this is the people, this is the agency, they're working a great system there. It's a whole process, and you just have to go through it and you get work if you're good enough. Everything other than that, if somebody is coming and saying ki okay, I'll give you work, sadak se utha ke star bana dunga and all that happens. It's true that all that happens, but you have to be very well informed. अगर आप खुद भी किसी काम को pursue कर रहे हो, तो ये आपकी भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि आपको इतना वेल इन्फॉर्म्ड होना चाहिए कि जिस इंसान के साथ मैं बैठी हूँ या बैठा हूँ, उसकी क्या क्रेडिबिलिटी है. ये मुझे एक कॉफ़ी शॉप में बैठ के स्क्रिप्ट ऑफर कर रहे हैं, तो एक क्या ही फिल्म बनाएंगे. सॉरी, ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए, बट येस, सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी अवेयर अबाउट द क्रेडिबिलिटी ऑफ द पर्सन यू आर टॉकिंग, एंड see if this person can actually give you work or not. And mostly this happens with young people because they are very gullible. Once you cross that age, people also see that ये लड़की को पता है जब सब industry के बारे, they would not harm you. It happens, but it is, I would not say it's a part of industry. It's altogether a fraud
situation.
segment of
If you're
Mumbai.
well informed, you can avoid it very easily.
Yeah.
And I think most of the girls know कि क्या ठीक है क्या नहीं है, और कुछ लड़कियां जान पूछ के उनको पता होता है consequences क्या होंगे, but just because of the role they do it.
Then it's their choice. I hope they get the film because there
It's
is
her choice.
there is no film that is going to be made. We all know that, right? Somebody who's coming up with such kind of offer has no work. Trust me. So आप ऐसा कुछ कर भी लेंगे and then आपको फिल्म भी नहीं मिले, तो ये बहुत बेकार सौदा है.
Guys, take notes.
अच्छा, एक्चुअली व्हाट आई थिंक इज इंडिया में मॉडलिंग का ज़्यादा स्कोप मुझे नहीं लगता कि है इतना. मैंने नहीं देखा. जैसे इंडियन एक मॉडल है अवंती नागरथ, उन्होंने अभी रिसेंट में वर्साचे का शो ओपन किया है. तो इट्स लाइक कि अगर तुम बाहर जाओगे, आउट ऑफ इंडिया जाओगे, तभी कुछ स्कोप है. इंडिया में कुछ लगता ही नहीं है.
आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट ऐसा नहीं है कि इंडिया में मॉडलिंग का स्कोप नहीं है, बिकॉज नाउ ऑल द modeling industry and there are a lot of products, there are a lot of companies coming up. The requirement of models are very high at this point in India. So scope तो बहुत है. I think what kind of work you would want to do in modeling is your question, I think. अब Versace या Gucci का fashion show अगर आपको open करना है, then you got to crack some great modeling show maybe, or you have to become maybe a beauty pageant winner, say.
Yeah.
So it depends how you get that kind of work, but I don't think that there is less scope. I think there is plenty of opportunities for modeling work right now in India.
जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे इतने अच्छे अच्छे डिजाइनर्स हैं बट वो अपना शो ओपन करा रहे हैं इन्फ्लुएंसर्स से.
हाँ यार, actually because see it's very simple science, because influencer has reach. हम ही लोगों ने उनको देख देख के उतने followers उतने views दिए हैं. तो जब कोई डिज़ाइनर या कोई भी कंपनी कॉर्पोरेट किसी इन्फ्लुएंसर को हायर करता है, इट्स दे आर हायरिंग देम जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द रीच, दैट माई प्रोडक्ट विल रीच आउट टू दिस मिलियन पीपल. और इसमें शायद उनका पर्पस, आई एम नॉट श्योर, प्रोडक्ट बेचना नहीं होता, प्रोडक्ट दिखाना होता है. Because what kind of audience also follow them is it's not sure कि वो audience आपकी target audience है कि नहीं है. तो लेकिन आपका प्रोडक्ट एटलीस्ट मिलियन लोगों ने देख लिया, सो दैट्स अ गुड मार्केटिंग.
सो आई वांट टू नो द पर्क ऑफ बीइंग एन एक्ट्रेस, ऑफ बीइंग वर्किंग इन दिस ग्लैमर इंडस्ट्री. क्या पर्क आपको लगता है, क्या वो एक होता है ना एक चीज कि इसने मुझे सबसे ज्यादा अट्रैक्ट किया और मैं यहाँ हूँ, आई एम वर्किंग फॉर दिस?
I would not say perk, I would say the best thing about becoming an actor. Okay. So the best thing about becoming an actor is you get to play a lot of characters. I think I love that. Everything that you want to do in life, you can do it as an actor. तुमको डॉक्टर बनना है, तुमको एयर हॉस्टेस बनना है, तुमको नासा स्पेशलिस्ट बनना है, जो भी बनना है आपको लाइफ में, अगर आपको एक्टिंग में वैसे टाइप के रोल मिले, you get to live it. And it's a very interesting feeling, because if you are able to pull it off and the whole crew, because film making में सिर्फ एक्टर का रोल नहीं होता, it's a whole army behind a film. एक शॉट लेने के लिए पीछे 200 लोग खड़े हैं. अगर मैं यहाँ पे कैमरे के सामने हूँ, मेरे पीछे 200 लोग खड़े हैं, and they are working tirelessly just to capture one shot. And to be able to deliver it, जब मैंने अगर कभी एक अच्छा शॉट दे दिया एंड सेट पे सबको कि ओके नाइस, अच्छा हुआ है, तो दैट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल फीलिंग, आई वुड से. इट गिव्स अ ग्रेट सेंस ऑफ आई डोंट नो accomplishment. But it makes me feel very nice.
So you get to live a lot of lives while being an actress.
And you get to learn a lot, because with every project you do your own studies, right? You do your own research. If I am to play, say there's this film which I am doing where I am playing a nurse, so I actually learned how to use that devices which nurses use. So
that is very interesting. Like you learn a lot of new things which you never thought कि आप कभी सीखोगे, कभी कुछ करना चाहोगे, but you get to experience a lot of different things. That's
very interesting. Yeah.
Okay, so what's the one thing you love about the industry, and what's the one thing you hate the most?
There is a lot of work happening. I'll tell you, maybe you will not get the kind of work you want right now, but you will get something. So if you are determined enough, I think Mumbai can make you survive, and you can survive fine. But it's up to you how much effort you put into your work, how much you give your own effort and dedication. That is something, a deciding factor, that it will take you where, right? So but कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता है. That's what I love about industry, कि it's very open, it's very welcoming that way. One thing I hate about industry, that's a tough one. I don't like the concept of getting typecasted. So typecasting is basically, if you do a certain kind of work, then you then you are typecasted in that same kind of role. I think for a lot of people, especially actors, budding actors, it's important for them to survive, like I said. So they keep picking projects, but not every profile should be judged on the basis of the work they have just done. They should get a fair opportunity to prove that they can do even more different roles, they can do better.
So we were stalking you on Instagram, and we got to know कि आप पोएट्री लिखती हैं और सुनाती भी हैं. So we are here for it. स्टोरी कि कहाँ से शुरुआत हुई, शौक था बचपन से या अभी नया नया आया है?
बचपन से तो नहीं था, बट क्या तुमने मुझे फॉलो किया इंस्टाग्राम पे पहले?
Definitely,
बताओ?
yes.
दोनों ने, ओके, थैंक यू. So
Followers are important.
so poetry just actually poetry just happened. Poetry के पास आप नहीं जाते, पोएट्री आपके पास आती है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
That's deep.
That's really
That's very poetic answer actually. So it happened during, I think, for a lot of actors we have a lot of times and we do a lot of reading as in even to learn. जब आप पढ़ रहे होते हो तो आपका thought process भी उसी चीज़ से काम करने लगता है कि आप खुद क्या सोच सकते हो, क्या बना सकते हो, and if you are creative enough and if you can use it, rhyme words, not just rhyme words, but to put
Maybe the emotion.
yeah, emotion, put the emotion to the right word, I would say, is something that can make you become a poet.
Okay, I heard कलयुग का प्रेम.
Okay.
So अगर आप उसकी 2 लाइन सुना दें अभी तो.
Okay, कलयुग का प्रेम.
Yeah.
But you have to agree, we have done our research very
Yeah.
well.
Yeah. इतना
We
अच्छा
have
रिसर्च
stalked
किया
you.
था, आपको मेरे को सुनानी चाहिए मेरी पोएट्री.
Yes, talk.
Okay, any other poetry which you remember?
Which I remember. So there are a lot of one-liners that I've written. हम ऐसे ये सब बात कर रहे हैं तो उस पर भी मैं बोल सकती हूँ. काफ़ी थोड़ी मोटिवेटिंग है, काफ़ी नहीं है, थोड़ी मोटिवेटिंग है. अब अगर कोई पूछे तुमसे कि क्यों रहते हो यूँ बिखरे बिखरे,
वाह वाह.
अब अगर कोई पूछे तुमसे कि क्यों रहते हो तुम यूँ बिखरे बिखरे, तो कह देना सिमटा तो कब्र में जाता है, बिखरना तो रोशनी को आता है.
Wow.
Amazing, amazing. Okay, there's this thing about me, I can't rhyme words.
हाँ.
Poetry is not coming to you, Srishti.
I
Yeah,
want it to come to me. I can't. मतलब मैं ना सिर्फ जल चल बस इतना टाइम आता है मुझे. जल चल हो गया. बस इतना ही कर सकती हूँ.
ऐसे keep working on it, you'll get there.
Okay, so now I'm gonna tell you some of the assumptions that people had about the industry, the film industry, the modeling industry. So you
Okay.
are gonna tell if that's a myth or they are true.
Okay. Wow, interesting.
So, yeah, in this industry, you have to do favors if you want to reach on top.
Not true. You don't have to do favors, but you have to be nice with people so that you network well and everybody supporting everyone.
Okay, it's not an appropriate industry to work, especially for women.
Not true.
All models have to be tall and thin.
Sadly true, but yes, not just there are other categories also. There are plus size models also. There are Indian size models also. So wherever you fit, you just have to be confident enough to be a model.
Okay, modeling is easy and as glamorous as it looks.
It is not easy and it is as glamorous as it looks, even more than that. But it is not easy, I would say.
Okay, so modeling is just about looks.
It's not just about looks, it's about confidence, it's about how you carry yourself, it's about how much you also understand your work.
Okay, so from now I'll take over the session.
I'm ready, Shrishti.
In the industry, you can make a lot of money.
True only if you become a star.
Rest,
Rest everyone is, I
they're
think,
struggling.
I would not say struggling. I don't like the word struggling, to be honest.
Okay.
Everyone is
Going somewhere.
going somewhere, is in the process to become something.
Yeah.
And I think the industry is kind enough to give us a decent survival, I would say. But yes, the great earning comes only if you become a star.
Okay, so people in the industry are always happy and confident.
Not true.
Not true.
Yeah. Always happy and confident. I think no one can be always happy. Are you always happy, Shrishti?
That I consider. But
Yeah.
I feel the people I look in the TV, the people I look in the industry, they're always confident. Like
They're
are my
confident.
source of confidence.
Yeah. They're confident for sure, but I would not say they're always
Always
happy.
Yeah.
It's the acting, trust me.
It's just good acting.
Sometimes even if
What
when
did
you're not,
Rihanna said, fake it till you make it.
fake
Yeah.
it till you make it, yeah.
So you can only survive in the industry if you have good looks and
good
good
looks.
Not true, not true, not true. Definitely not true. Talking about good looks, when I first shifted to Bombay, and a lot of people have said to me that you're very tall and you're very thin. you're decent looking, you can do good in industry. I've got rejected because of my height. I've got rejected because I'm too fair. So at times your looks can be a disadvantage in some scenarios, because it depends on how you fit with the role.
Okay, so in the industry, your education doesn't really matter. Is it true or not?
Education matters actually, I would say. See, it's not mandatory. कोई course नहीं है कि आपको ये करने के बाद actor बनना है, right? जैसे for a good level marketing job, you must have, say, an MBA, right? But ज़रूरी नहीं है. But the more educated you are, the more it reflects in your personality.
I would agree to this. I would
Yeah.
100%
So,
agree to this.
a person who has done good amount of studies, and also there's education of film industry, right? So you at least, आप अगर पढ़ाई लिखाई ऐसे नहीं कर रहे हो तो फिल्म एजुकेशन जो होती है वो आपको करनी चाहिए. देयर आर एक्टिंग कोर्सेज, देयर आर फिल्म मेकिंग कोर्सेज, यू शुड डू दैट. ऑल्सो द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग आई वुड से, because I myself did that initially when I joined my acting institute. ड्यूरिंग द एक्टिंग वर्कशॉप बहुत सारे ऐसे एग्जाम्पल लिए जाते थे जो रैंडमली हम लोग बहुत बड़े बड़े क्लासिकल मूवीज़ में से लेके बोल रहे हैं, बड़े बड़े डायरेक्टर्स के नाम ले रहे हैं. क्विंटिन टैरेंटिनो की बात हो रही है, स्टैनली कुब्रिक की बात हो रही है. मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता क्या बात हो रही है उस टाइम पे. तो आई ऑलवेज यूज टू फील वेरी आउट ऑफ कॉन्वर्सेशन, बिकॉज ये सब तो मुझे नहीं पता था, ये सब जानना ज़रूरी है. सो in 2020 I made a list of 10 most classical directors and 5 different genres that I will cover. David Fincher ki 10 films, I will cover Quentin Tarantino ki all films, I will cover this kind of films, all classical films I saw in 1 year. So now I know pretty much everything. So I should not say that, but but at least good enough knowledge to have a conversation. Yeah.
So I would want you to recommend 2 films that we all should watch. Like they're a masterpiece.
Okay. I think for women, one film that I really like is Erin Brockovich. Julia Roberts की है, आप लोग ज़रूर देखना Netflix पे. That's very beautiful. In Hindi cinema, there are so many classical films. One of my favorite is Anand.
Okay.
राजेश खन्ना सर की. आप लोग जेंजी लोग आप लोगों ने नहीं देखी होगी, आई एम श्योर, बट प्लीज डू वॉच इट. इट्स अ बिग लाइफ लर्निंग लेसन वाली फिल्म, सो डू वॉच दैट. आई रियली लव दैट फिल्म. इट कम्स इन माई टॉप 5.
I want to recommend a movie to you.
Yeah.
The Pursuit of Happiness.
I've seen that. Of course, I've seen that.
Such a masterpiece.
Beautiful
love this
film.
movie.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
हर बार रोती हूँ मैं उसको देख के कि भाई
सब रोते हैं, हर बार सब रोते हैं.
So we have another fun round, that is rapid fire. It should be rapid and full of
Fire.
as Karan Johar says.
Okay.
So let's start. So my first question is, we'll do it simultaneously, okay?
Okay.
Your favorite film quote?
My favorite film quote. जिंदगी बड़ी होनी चाहिए, लंबी नहीं बाबू.
I love this.
Okay, one rule of modeling.
One rule of modeling: always stand tall. Like keep your shoulders straight and your head high.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, like this.
Are we fine?
Yeah. कमर में दर्द हो जाएगा थोड़ी देर में. Trust
I
me.
have back issues.
At 21. See,
Gen Z.
what's wrong with Gen Z?
One piece of advice you would want to give to your younger self?
My younger self: start everything. Don't hesitate. I really feel that I've started quite late. MBA करने के बाद मैंने start किया. So I really wish I would have started it when I was 18. तो मुझे लगता है मैं शायद इस process में अभी और आगे होती. But never mind.
Better late than never.
Okay, what's your go-to makeup product?
Go to makeup: lip balm.
Lip balm,
all my
okay.
friends would laugh on this answer that I have lip balms everywhere in my house. जहाँ पे भी मैं बैठती हूँ, सोती हूँ, मेरी one hand accessibility में एक lip balm होता है.
होगा.
Yeah, I'm a big lip balm lover.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
I would like to read mind.
Read mind.
Yeah.
Okay, this is my question to you, Vanshika. What is that one superpower you want to have?
Yes, Vanshika, tell us.
That's a thinker for me. Okay, maybe being invisible anytime I want.
Invisible.
Yeah.
Ghosting.
What about
Ghosting
you?
in
What
real
about you?
sense.
Yeah.
I want to read minds.
Yeah.
कि पता लग जाए सामने
So
वाले इंसान क्या
if we
सोच रहा है.
both are reading each other's mind, then who is
नहीं,
reading whose mind?
that is very scary. No, I don't want that superpower when she's around.
Okay, last song you listen to on repeat.
There's this song which I am listening right now
Yeah,
in
on
these
repeat.
days on repeat is Ferona Nazariya from Kala.
Oh,
I like that
that
song.
is so beautiful
Yeah.
song. Do you sing?
No, that is something I have so much regret about this thing because I truly feel that I can do everything that I want to do if I put enough effort into it.
yeah.
But singing is something I cannot do. Like I cannot. I'm a pathetic singer.
Me too.
मैं अगर अभी गाना गाऊंगी तो हमें बैकअप करना पड़ जाएगा.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
Attraction at first sight.
That is true.
But
That is
I think-
attraction only.
Personally, I feel love takes a lot of time. I take a
that's
lot
true.
of time to
Love
fall
should
in
be
love.
slow and steady.
Yeah.
I feel that.
Are you in love?
No.
She took a 1 second pause.
You're not
No.
in love with your dog Max? What are you
I love
talking
my
about?
dog. I love my dog. Yeah.
I am in love with my cat.
You have
I
cats.
Yeah, I have a cat.
I don't
इसने
like
इतना
cats.
गंदा मुंह
I
बनाया
don't
है
blame,
ना.
I don't like
You're
cats
very
either.
selfish.
They are not.
I don't
So
like
are
cats
humans.
either. What's your one hidden talent?
Hidden talent. I think I am a good painter. Yeah,
Is it?
yeah. I do painting, but I don't like tell that to a lot of people.
Okay, so your favorite actor and actress in the industry?
My favorite has always been Shah Rukh Khan, but Siddhant Gupta in Jubilee was very good. Avinash Tiwari is very good. Tripti Dimri, Vamika Gabbi, a lot of good actors are coming up.
And I'm loving that industry is welcoming them.
Yeah.
तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. It
हाँ.
is good to see the change.
One of my favorite actor is also KK Menon sir. I really am a big admirer of KK sir.
Okay, what's your favorite fashion trend right now and a trend you would want to make a comeback?
Recently, I've discovered that if you wear everything white, you just look very, I don't know, elite. Yeah.
Me too.
That's
Yeah,
true.
I
so
have discovered it and till
It's,
then there is no going back.
yeah.
तब से वो white ही
So,
बन के आ रही है हर रोज.
Yeah. So I discovered it and I'm really liking it and it's very easy. Personally, I am not really a very style freak person. मुझे बहुत effort लगता है and it's very exhausting for me to style myself. But I am a really like oversized t-shirt, go to
Then you are an
loose
effortless
denim.
beauty.
Yeah. Not
Effortless beauty.
You are.
yeah, I like to go in
Accept
casual clothes, and if that looks nice, then okay, I'll take the
Okay, so
compliment.
I want to know your opinion
Hmm.
about bell bottoms.
Bell bottoms. Oh, I like that. I like that.
We are gonna have a.
I don't
Argument.
like them. They look
She-
trash.
she doesn't
बहुत-
like them.
बहुत गंदे.
I
यहाँ
like
से
baggy
tight है.
jeans.
नहीं,
Okay,
exactly.
bell bottom as in like tight and
Yeah,
then
and
you
then
have
loose,
flare.
yeah.
No, I don't like that.
I
No,
love
no, I don't like.
I don't like it at
I
all. वो parallel pants, I love them. वो loose वाला baggy fitting, everything is fine. But वो जब वो ऐसा
One
tight
thing-
आगे पर नीचे
One
घुसा
thing
है,
that
I don't like it at
I
all.
hate is the skinny jeans. Like skinny jeans
No
are
one
so.
likes skinny jeans. I
No
think.
one likes
So
skinny
old-fashioned,
jeans.
yeah.
It should be banned. No one should
It
wear
should be
skinny
banned,
jeans.
Right.
Yeah.
बाहर फेंको निकाल के. What's your biggest pet peeve?
I really don't like it when people touch my stuff. Like if I have kept
That
something
is so
in
me
some way,
code.
I don't like people touching my stuff.
What's the most adventurous thing you have done?
I've done a lot of solo trips. That's something adventurous. I won't say there is no one most adventurous thing that I've done yet. I think I still have to do something in life to answer that. But there's a lot of solo trips that I do.
If you ever get a chance, and in which movie you want to play a character and why?
I think I really like Alia Bhatt in Razi. The
Yeah,
Sehmat.
I love that
yeah, yeah.
movie.
The character Sehmat is I feel very close to that character. I don't know why. I am not a spy.
Okay, so who's your favorite fashion designer?
Fashion designer, my favorite fashion designer, I think I would say Manish Malhotra.
He's doing so well these days. Also in the
He has
Bali
been doing well
Yeah,
since
he-
ever.
yeah, he's very
never
consistent.
out of fashion. He's
He's
never
never out of ideas.
ideas. He has managed to stay relevant, and relevant तो बहुत छोटी बात है. He has managed to keep his top game since ever. So I think that's very phenomenal.
Okay, so my last question to you would be, what is that one piece of advice you want to give to the younger girls? Also the girls of your age कि अगर आना चाह रहे हो इंडस्ट्री में तो उनको क्या आप एक एडवाइस देना चाहोगे?
So one piece of advice that I would like to give is, first of all, be sure that you want to do this. Sometimes we confuse passion with fascination. sometimes we are just fascinated about something, and when we do it, because I know a lot of my like friends who came to become actor in Mumbai, and when they saw the process of it, and it's a long process, it would take a lot of hard work. So उस time पे they realize that they can't do it. So be sure that you want to do that first, and once you decide that, go through the process, love the process, train yourself, make good contacts, and keep working on your art.
So thank you so much, Swati, for giving us your precious time. It was wonderful having a conversation with you. We really enjoyed it.
Thank you so much. It was really, really fun.
Thank you so much, Shrishti and Vanshika. You both are great hosts, Gen Z hosts, but you guys are doing so well, and it was really fun talking to you.
So with this, we have come to an end of this podcast. I hope you guys enjoyed it, because we surely did. If you want to see more of such raw, unfiltered and unscripted podcasts, don't forget to follow us on our Instagram handle and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be back again with another fun episode, because we are here to keep it real. Till then, bye!
Woo!